Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to GLOBO the Amazing Page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, I'm going to specifically talk about some real things about being an online entrepreneur which I'm facing recently, and I feel like I really want to address these things. So before going into that guys, consider clicking on the like button and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming related content. Now guys, when I started with my YouTube channel, not started with that, but I was kind of in between. In December, I was getting a few of the comments. People were telling me, don't make such YouTube videos. You won't be getting views, you won't be getting much subscribers, people won't actually click on your videos, and you won't be getting your channel monetized. And at that time I feel like, okay, but now I realize that is that what I'm doing it like I am doing all these videos for the sake of the views, for the sake of the subscribers, for the sake of the money? Is that the reality? And I'm asking myself, and I was like, I know that these kind of videos won't get me much of the views because people click on my channel or click on my videos just to get their answers for their questions about the print on demand, about the creative fabrica, about the KDP and all those. And when I'm making such kind of videos, very few people would actually click on my videos to watch these videos, which is really important guys. And my main focus is not to just talk about print on demand, KDP, creative fabrica, and how to make money and how to sell and all that. There is nothing wrong with that. There is nothing wrong with making those videos or those type of videos. I really love creating those type of videos. But I feel like I really want to talk about the real thing, how it actually takes and what it actually takes to start with your own online business. I really want to make a community of people who really talk about the real stuff, not just faking the stuff just for the sake of showing people that it's glamorous, it's sexy and all that, but in reality, nothing seems to be like that. Yes guys, I often at times so messy with doing these things. If you see that I make these YouTube videos often in the morning, and at that time my room is quite messy and I am also messy and all those things, and that's the reality. It's not glamorous. It doesn't seem like a glamorous or anything like that. And sometimes I feel so tired, so burned out. Although I've already made a video talking about burning out, you can check in the card section above guys. But recently I feel like I really want to be transparent with you guys. If I'm just making videos talking about how to double your sales, how to triple your sales, do this thing trick or do that and all that. But what is the reality guys? These type of videos obviously would be getting more views. Obviously people would be subscribing to my channel. I would be making big money and all that. But does that really makes me happy in the later on down the road? Does that really makes me happy? Because I am doing the things based on my happiness, based on the fulfillment, based on the satisfaction. I'm not doing just for the sake of money, just for the sake of viewers, just for the sake of subscribers. Even though it took me a very long time to get my YouTube channel monetized, maybe a year, maybe 6 months, whatever it is, I really don't care about that. I really care about building a real community of like-minded artists and designers who really want to build their online business. And talking about the real stuff, not to just fake the stuff, not to just make a clickbaity videos of talking about making big money and all those things, because at the end of the day it's not the reality. Nothing happens overnight, and those who says that the things happen overnight, I really doubt that, because so far in my own online journey, in my first year, I came across many such people who talk about the overnight success, who talk about overnight quick making money and all that. But when I actually research about them and actually go into that, I see that it's not the reality. It's not the reality. It takes time. Things takes time. Nothing happened overnight. And I recently feel like I'm burning out. I feel like I'm tired. I really want to take a break. Of course, I love making these videos. I love creating them and I really love them. But sometimes I feel like I just want to take a break. I don't give myself break even on the Sundays, even on the weekends. I also make these videos because I love them. I love interacting to you guys by these videos. But I keep on working on the new business ideas. Recently, I watched with the artist coaching, the art coaching, just to help the artists, not to make that big money, because I'm not a big coach or big guru or anything like that. I see that when some of the artists were submitting their art for my magazine, they were having some trouble, some issues in their art career, and they really want help. So that's why I started with the coaching and all that. But at the end of the day, I feel so tired, guys. I feel like I want to cry. I feel like there is a little baby, little child inside of me who want to cry. And guys, I really don't want to cry in this video, but recently I feel like I'm so tired. I really don't have energy, and I know that many people don't click on my videos just to know more about me. They click on the videos to to actually get their answers for their questions about the print on demand, about the Redbubble, KDP Creative Fabrica. But when I'm making such videos, I know that not many people will going to like it, not many people will going to watch it, but I'm really grateful for those people. Even I'm grateful for that one single person who is daily watching my videos, who is getting some value out of my videos. I'm really grateful for that. But I really want to be transparent with you guys. It's not that easy. It's may sound, and I literally am feeling like crying now. I don't know why is that so, but that's the reality, guys. And when I wake up in this morning, I feel like I really want to talk about this thing, because I'm feeling like something is burning inside of me, a hard desire is burning inside of me, and I really want to address that, guys. And I want to tell you that it takes so much hard work, it takes so much time and energy to actually build something online that's quite genuine and that's quite real. And I want to talk this, guys. I'm crying, I know I'm crying, but I'm feeling tired. Like, I'm not giving myself a break. I don't know what the hell is going on. Sometimes I feel like I'm just making these videos and I'm not giving myself a break. But then I think that I want to make these videos for you guys. Even if it would take me a year to get my channel monetized, or to get more subscribers, or to get more views and all that. But I really want to talk about, guys. I made that video talking about my story of why I left my medical field and I pursued my art as a career and being an online entrepreneur, because that was not at all fulfilling me. I was crying at the end of the day because of that feel. Like, I was feeling like I was missing something out. That's why I started with this online stuff. I left that medical field and all that. But now also, I'm sorry, guys, I really feel like crying, because this morning I wake up. In that video which I make about me talking about my story, in that video I literally cried. I'm not making these videos to cry in front of you to show what I'm feeling like, but I want to talk to you and I want to connect with you guys. I want to show you the reality, because I feel like it's so much overwhelming to see other people who are making big money and who are just making it so glamorous and making it feel like this is so easy, this is so, like, you just need to open up a shop on the day one itself and the next day you're gonna see the money coming into your bank account, or you're gonna get much sales and all that. But the reality is something else, guys. And today I feel like I'm burning out. I'm tired. Like, although I don't care about what other people think about me, but sometimes I do really care about it. Sometimes I do really care about it, that what other people is thinking about me. Like, I left my medical career just to pursue the art, because I love doing art, and just to pursue making these YouTube videos. But sometimes I really care about what the people is thinking about me, and I really want to talk about that it's not that easy to build an online business. It actually takes so much time, so much energy to create these, and at times I feel lost. I'm waking up from my bed and I'm feeling lost. I don't know what to do. I really don't want to cry in front of you, but I feel like I really want to talk about that everything is messy at times. My room is messy. Like, I couldn't able to clean my room because I'm so tired of these things, and I care about at times what other people are thinking about me, and I'm like getting sometimes such hate comments, some hate likes, although I literally don't care about that people, but sometimes I do really care, because it actually takes so much energy out of you to create these videos. Nothing happened overnight. And when those people are talking about big money and talking about making overnight success, overnight all those things, it really burned my heart. It really makes me feel like, what the hell is that? Like, that's not the reality. Even if you try all the things, it will going to take you time. It really takes me hard down, guys, when someone is doing so much hard work in their craft. They are doing so much hard work and they are not getting that much money, or they are not getting that much return, and they are feeling discouraged, or they are feeling bad about it because they are seeing other people who are doing much better than them because they are showing off. So I really feel so bad about those people who are putting so much hard work in creating these designs, in creating these work. And at the end of the day, when they watch other YouTubers or they listen to other people on the online space and they see that those people are making big money and they are not making it, and they are quitting it because of that comparison factor. It really hurt me so much, guys. I'm kind of like more of an emotional person. That's the reality. Now, many of you people don't like me. In fact, many of my friends don't like me. They tell me that you're so emotional. You cry a lot. And I was like, that's the reality. Like, we can't always be the strong and predict the things that we are not. We really want to be real. Like, I don't want to be fake anything on these YouTube videos to show you guys that it's so fancy, it's so sexy, it's so glamorous to build an online business. Because I was getting a few of the comments and people were telling me that they are making good designs. They have uploaded so many designs, but they are not getting the sales, and they are comparing themselves with other people who are making those sales, and they are feeling discouraged because of the comparison, and they are giving up on their dream. And I feel like so bad about it. I feel like, why people are not transparent, why people are not open to the reality, why there are so many people who are faking about those things just for... I really feel that, guys. And today I wake up from my bed, I was feeling so pathetic. I couldn't tell you guys. I was feeling like, because I read some comment, I read some message, I got some message from someone who was telling me that they have been doing artwork for many years and they are not getting anything from their art career, and they are quitting up because somebody is talking on the internet that they are making that big money and he or she is not making that big money, and they are started comparing them with that person, and they are quitting up because of that thing. And I feel like, what the hell? Why people fake about those things? Why people don't talk about the reality? And it's so much discouraging for someone who is actually working on their business, who is actually working on their craft, and at the end of the day they started comparing themselves with other people just for the sake of that they are not making that big money. So guys, I really want to tell you, don't quit. I am feeling tired today. I'm feeling burned out today. I'm feeling like I want to cry. I want to cry the hell out of that, what the other people is thinking about it. Like, why don't people talk about the real stuff? Even if it is weakness, even if it is vulnerability, why don't people share about being them vulnerable on the internet? Why they just talk about those happy faces always? When in the reality, no one is every time happy. Like, we are crying in our bed. We are having that pain in the feelings and the thoughts and the mind in our body, but we don't express them. We don't talk about that. And we try to hide them. Like, why we do so? So that's the purpose of me making this video, guys, because in the morning I am feeling so much urge to make this video because I really want to talk about the reality. It's not that easy. Things takes time. Now guys, don't think that I'm making this video to cry in front of you, to cry like a small baby. I'm not making this video for that purpose. Don't take my video for that purpose, that I'm crying in front of you guys, crying like a small baby. I'm just talking about the reality. Because my goal is to build a community that is real, that is authentic, that is not faking about everything, that is telling about the real stuff. I'm tired today, and I think I really need to give myself a small break today, because I won't be taking break from the YouTube. I won't be taking this break from the YouTube because I love making these videos. I'm gonna produce daily videos. I'm gonna make these daily videos. But today I really wanna talk about some real stuff. That don't quit, guys. Don't quit. Even though I'm on my first year in my online business for my magazine, I'm making monthly sales for my magazine. I'm telling you guys, it takes so much hard work. It's not that quick or overnight or anything like that. Don't quit even if you're not getting the results right now. Don't quit, guys. Please don't quit. I know, guys, this video is going quite long. I didn't make this video to cry in front of you. I just make this video to talk about the real stuff, to behind the scenes stuff, from how I'm feeling today and from few days how I'm feeling and what are the thoughts going inside my mind. And I really need to assess those things in this video, so that's why I made this video to talk about the reality that I sometimes feel like crying. I sometimes feel like I really need to take a break. The things are going too fast. I am going too fast. I want to talk about the real stuff because the comparison is the #1 killer factor. We see many people out there, and I often lend into that comparison factor, and I started comparing myself with those people, and then I felt so bad about it. So I really want to talk about that. We being a human being, we lend into the thing of comparison, but that's completely normal. That's completely okay. Just calm yourself. Things will going to take some time. I hope, guys, that today's video is really helpful to you. You're able to connect with it because I really talk about the real stuff. I don't think that I'm crying just to get sympathy from you guys or something like that. I'm just crying to tell you guys that you really feel that when you're building something online and it's taking so much hard work, it's taking so much out of you, you really feel that. Even if you don't cry from the outside, you would cry from the inside, because when you're building something really genuine, really authentic, and it's taking so much from you, it's taking so much of your mental stuff, your physical stuff, and you're at the end of the day feeling tired, feeling burnout, and you lend into that comparison and how you feel that. So that's what I did that, and I cried, guys, not to show you guys anything about it, but that's the reality, guys. So I know that this today video is going quite long because I wake up in the morning just to make this video, guys. I wake up in this morning just to talk to you guys about this real thing, is to connect with you guys that don't compare yourself with anyone, and the behind the scenes stuffs are weird, are creepy, and are not sexy, are not glamorous. And these are the behind the scenes stuff that I'm feeling right now. This is the behind the scenes stuff, guys. How I'm feeling right now. I'm feeling like crying. I'm feeling like a small child inside me is crying because it's so much hard work. I'm feeling burned out. I'm feeling my body is tiring. I'm feeling like I'm having a backache, and I feel like crying and all that. And that's the reality, guys. So that is the behind the scenes stuff. I hope that you really liked it. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think about this video, guys. And that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you really find it useful, find it connecting to you. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time, guys. Take care. Bye, guys.